This is another test flight. So this is the Starship. Do you think it's gonna land? No.
2 minus 10.
How'd you do that?
7.
Huh? You hit the desk
6,
and the windows moved.
5.
Here it goes.
4.
3.
3.
2.
2.
1.
0. Here, lift off.
Whoa. Go. 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 Go.
All teams triage alarms.
Look at the engines, buddy. Jeez Louise.
That's a blue sky?
That is a blue sky.
What? That's a very blue sky! That's the blue sky I've ever seen in my whole life!
Yikes.
That is
Look
true!
at how fast the ground's getting small.
That is the smallest ground! You can barely see the road!
I wonder if this one can make it. You think this one makes it?
No.
No?
I think it would just
You think so?
fall on its side. And how will they get it back up?
I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see. We'll see.
1 minute into the flight. Engine's looking good. Look at that fire coming out of it. There it goes. Oh. What if you were strapped in that rocket right now? Oh!
Whoa!
Oh, that was like an engine shutdown, maybe?
Engine shutdown?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
What?
Looks like there's a fire in there.
Fire in there?
Looks like there's a fire in there.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
But that's not good!
Nope, not good at all.
Oh, it stopped. Wait, is there a camera in the engine?
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
How'd they even put it in there?
I don't know. But it clearly can withstand a lot of heat, huh?
Staying there with a lot of heat?
Yeah, those engines are putting out a lot of heat.
Yeah. It's crazy.
It is crazy, it doesn't melt.
It's probably made out of fiber.
Fiber?
Uh-huh.
Fiberglass? Maybe, yeah.
Fiberglass.
Yeah.
So it can't, if it goes onto the camera, it can do nothing.
That's pretty smart, kid.
I know everything.
Oh, yeah. Okay, down to 2 engines.
2 engines. 2, 3 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 engines! Mom, come and see this. It's really good. 2, 3 engines.
Down to 1 engine.
2, 3 engines.
That means it's about to probably go horizontal here.
Oop. Oh, I saw something clear. Oh, I see smoke. Ooh, that's not good. Hurry, Mom, hurry. Hurry, come in here. It's about to land. Look, it lands sideways.
Oh my goodness.
And then, Mom.
Well, it goes sideways, right? It's
Yeah.
supposed to go horizontal. And
Mom,
then hopefully it
And
lands.
see those things sticking out? It actually steers it.
Oh.
Is that crazy?
That is so crazy.
Here
You're
it
gonna
goes,
work
bud.
for
Ready?
these
I
people
want
one day?
Hot Wheels.
I asked him if he
want
was-
Hot Wheels.
I asked him if he was going to go to the moon or to Mars. He said, I don't know. I said, you'd be strapped in like this and be.
Hey, we're both rockets.
You could work for them.
Oh, here it goes.
Oh, let's go.
Here's horizontal. Is it gonna make it?
I'm gonna stand up and cheer. It does it.
Oh, there it goes.
Yay!
Oh, it's laying down.
Lay down, lay down.
See, it kind of just like floats back to Earth. Uh-oh.
What?
It's coming down like this.
Come down.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
Supposed to.
Yep. Meow. Oh, I can't see. Okay, you think it's gonna land? Here it goes.
Here he goes, here he goes!
The thing probably, I wonder how fast it is falling. See the flaps moving, Kai? Steering it?
It's not even moving. It doesn't even look like that
Oh, it's
much.
falling fast.
No, I know, but these don't look like they're...
Oh, yeah. Just kind of guide it. Here it comes, bud. It's coming in for landing. Got about
9 minutes.
5 more seconds. Let's go.
4, 3, 2, 4, 5,
Oh,
6,
that was a big one.
7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Watch out. Here they go. They're going to fire. It goes quick.
It's quick, it just...
Through the clouds.
Through the clouds. I thought it was just gonna...
Oh, here it goes.
See, you can see it closer to the
Yeah.
wall.
Mom, you can
See
see
the
the engine.
engines moving? There's one.
Oh, there's one. Turn back over. But
Looks like there's only 2 going.
going.
I don't think all 3 lit.
There's 3. Why did...
Uh-oh.
What? What?
I don't think that one made it.
It was like tilting. Dad, it was like tilting when it was coming down.
That one went kaboom.
That wasn't good. I need tight on my head.
Thanks for watching the Kyler Scott
Do
Show.
you see my little opening?
Oh yeah.
Light.
Oh.